Hi, thanks for watching Adventures with Noonies. Today our adventure is at Sugar Creek Park, MetroPark in the Dayton area, Centerville, and we're going to do the Orange Trail because there are some awesome trees on this trail I want to show you. I've done it a few times. It's a very easy, short trail, but it's kind of cool. So, would definitely recommend it. Here we go. Oh, it's colder up here than it was at Mount Airy. I was just at Mount Airy doing the second part of the Stone Steps Trail and decided to do another trail, and it is cold up here. So the only trail I've done here is the Orange Trail. Do want to do other ones. There's one where it sounds like there's an awesome creek at the bottom, but no, we'll do that another time. So we're going to the right. We're just doing the Orange Trail today. A nice little picnic shelter. I may do the Prairie Trail on the way back. I think it runs parallel to the one we're doing now. So it looks pretty cool. The last time I was here, I was with my nephew and my grandkid, and we sat on these swings. It was peaceful. Okay, I want to show you how well this trail's marked. So there's yellow. Looks like yellow's there too. And orange. This is what I like about the Metro Parks. There's a fork in the road and it tells you to turn right. And Blue Trail is the left. And it's drier here. One thing Cincinnati needs to follow suit on to Dayton is open their restrooms. People do winter hike all the time. I saw a whole family using the restroom here. Well, I didn't see them using it, but I saw them go into the bathroom. Okay, here it doesn't matter which way you go because the Orange Trail goes straight and to the left. We're going straight. I keep thinking I've come back through that way before. I think the first time I came here was a long time ago. The trails weren't marked as well as they were, or I wasn't reading them well enough and I got lost. Imagine that. So. Oh my goodness, look at this trail. If you watched the Stone Steps video, not even an hour ago, right about an hour ago, we were there and it was so muddy. At parts I thought my shoe was going to get stuck. So I'm making good time on this one. Whoop whoop. Just want to stop and show you how pretty this is. The dead of winter on December 30th. We are going to go straight, but the trail I said I want to go on someday is to the right. And the reason I say that Let's see, I think it's the black trail. It looks black, or is it green, dark green? Is one time I walked past it and I heard, oh, there's the creek. Don't know if you can see it. I heard the rushing water. So maybe we'll do the green trail in the spring when there's a lot of rain. April showers bring May flowers. The reason I never went down that one before is I thought I couldn't see my favorite trees, my favorite part of the trail. And that is totally wrong, because if you see over here, green trail. So it probably just goes along that creek and comes back up. But the orange trail comes here. And we're about to see my favorite part. Kind of creepy, but kind of neat. There have been so many people that passed this trail up to go down the green trail. Maybe the green trail's awesome and we have to do that sometime, but not one has come down here. Maybe everybody's afraid. Maybe it's too spooky. Ooh. Really though, can you imagine this around, let's say, Halloween? Especially if there's a full moon out. I'm sure you can't hike here at night, but still, well, maybe you can. One of the other metro parks, Germantown, you can. Huh. But this would be awesome. I love Halloween. Yes, I drove almost an hour to see these trees. In my opinion, it's worth it. Oh, and there's a wreath. Not only do I love Halloween, I love Christmas. Oh, how awesome. Okay. So you can take a screenshot of that. Enlarge it if you like, to learn about the orange osage trees. It looks like a trail goes back that way. Huh. Oh, maybe it loops around. No. It's obviously a trail, but it's not marked, so we're not doing it. We don't have the time. And it's cold up here. This is cool where it opens up a bit. What's really cool is when you see another trail and you're on the trail. Wonder if we're going to end up there. Hello. Oh, and this is where we started. We went that way. We're just going back the way we came, but I think we're going to do the meadow trail, since I've never done that. And I think it just goes parallel. So we're good. Well, I wasn't filming when I came up here. There's where we went off the trail. The swings are up there. There's a ton of people on them. And now we're doing the meadow trail. I tell you what's kind of funny. My shoes are very muddy. My pants are very muddy. And this trail is, for the most part, totally dry. Mostly dry. There were some muddy areas, but not enough to get my pants wet. Don't know where we're going. But someone just looked at my shoes, my pants, and then me like, what? Huh. Well, maybe a bench, I don't know. It looks like this was probably the meadow in the spring, summer and fall. And I'm guessing this is the trail. If not, we'll walk back. I'm going back because my intention was not to hike this trail. It's only supposedly a quarter of a mile, but it looks like it goes off to the left. But there's a bench down there, and I know it ends up here. I'm thinking it's pushing 3 o'clock, and we're going to save this for another day. If you guys are in this area, definitely check it out. Or I would suggest checking it out. But yeah, I thought with it only being a quarter of a mile, I think I'm missing something. And with everything cut down, and sunset's going to be in about an hour, or not, 2 hours, I'm not chancing it. And I have to drive quite a ways to go home. So we did what we said we were going to do. I almost took off and forgot to do the recap of the trail. It was a really good trail. It's cold, very little mud, thank God. Do have on dry socks and dry shoes, and that feels good. Good for the feet. We need to take care of our feet when we hike. The best part of the trail, bathrooms were open. That's awesome. Trail's nice and wide and clean. Now clearer, I guess. Not that many roots or anything, rocks to really walk over or trip over, so it's very easy. Worst part of the trail, probably the fact that I didn't do the meadow trail. But that's okay. My intention wasn't to do the meadow trail. It was to do the orange trail, which we did. And then I know next time to start up where it's paved, and then I don't think I'll get lost. But I swear it just said a quarter of a mile. If I'm wrong, please let me know. I can look it up too. So I'm off. I'm gonna go home. I want to get some hot chocolate with marshmallows. I'm ice cold. No, it's warmer than it was last week. And it feels colder. I don't know why. Okay, with that said, see ya. If you like this video, press the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, press subscribe. Thank you.